Hi, this is Arun from Super Simple Software. I'm the technical expert on Super Simple ERP. Today, we're going to see how our solution on manufacturing module will create a positive impact on your business. We saw in the manufacturing industry video how the manufacturing module works in conjunction with other modules. Today, we're gonna see how manufacturing module works all by itself. So, we're going to discuss a few concepts in this video. Let's start from the top. Manufacturing orders. A manufacturing order is the process of producing a product in our company. This includes procurement of raw materials, processing them using machines, that is work centers, and finally produce the finished goods. Let's create a manufacturing order, but before that, we need to discuss what a bill of material is. So we go to the BOM menu and we see all these following bill of materials. A bill of material is a recipe for manufacturing a product. It contains all the raw materials in all the right quantities. Now let's create a manufacturing order. First of all, a new manufacturing order gets its own unique manufacturing order number from here. MO00019. We select the product to produce and its bill of material gets automatically loaded. We mention the quantity of products to produce. We can add products to consume in the list below if there are some other products or services besides these included in the BOM. We hit confirm production. We then check availability of raw materials. If they are all available, we proceed with the production. We hit produce. In case the product takes a long time to produce, it is advisable to click on mark as started instead of produce. Once the process is complete, we click produce. And after the production, the inventory value of that product automatically goes up correspondingly. So we mark it as produced. And after that, finally, when the production is finished, we create produce. This officially consumes all the raw materials and brings our product into the production and finishes everything up. Let's look at order planning. In order planning, we can use a calendar view to schedule manufacturing orders. So let's name something here in the event summary. And a manufacturing order of the same name of that event summary gets created here. And it's pretty much the same process as the manufacturing order we created before this. So let's just discard this for now. Let us look at work orders. A work order is the actual process of producing the product. To understand it, let's create a new work order. First, select the manufacturing order for which this work order is being created. We select a manufacturing order which is in the ready to produce state. We enter a name for the work order. We select a work center, which means the machine on which the product is going to be produced. It can be a machine or it can be a set of machines. A work center essentially fulfills the same purpose as a manufacturing machine. We fill in the remaining information like number of cycles, hours per cycle, and we hit save. Let's put in schedule date for it, and we hit save, and then we hit start. Once those number of hours and cycles are over, we can click the finished button. Let us now look at repair orders. Since we produce products in our company, we might even be repairing them in our company itself. This menu is for that purpose. Let's create a new repair order. We select a product to repair. We select a customer for whom we are performing the repair. Partner means customer. In Operations tab, we can mention products to add or remove. If we are replacing a product with a new one, we select Add. If we are removing a product and the customer is getting some money in return for it, Then we select remove. So let's say we're removing the chain of a bicycle and we're getting some 500 rupees in return for it. It's got to be minus 500 because it's a refund. And we select new chain to add to the bicycle. Chain, and its price gets updated automatically. In invoicing tab, we get to mention whether the invoice is to be generated after repair or before repair. If we select before repair, it means that the invoice gets generated beforehand, and otherwise it gets generated at the end. And we mentioned various processing fees for the repair. So we hit confirm repair and then start the repair. After the repair is finished, we hit finish and then generate the invoice like so. Let's put in a unit price for these fees. This is just some tab about repaired and invoiced checkboxes. And we have notes, and then we save and we confirm the repair. Once that is done, we start the repair, and after a few days or hours, we hit end the repair and we create an invoice for it like so. Here in the social section of the software, we can see all the updated statuses of the repair order, like when it was created and when it started and when it ended, like so. This is the latest status to be invoiced, and it is already repaired. We can create schedules from resources working time. We can also schedule leaves for employees from resource leaves. We can edit and create work centers from the menu here. Property groups are basically qualities that can be assigned to bill of materials and sale orders. So that is it about manufacturing. If you have any questions, feel free to drop us a mail from our website supersimplesoft.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.